Hello students. So today we are starting with the solution of Standard 12th Goa Board Mathematics paper which was held in February 2025. Okay. So first filling the blanks are there. So this is the question. If A is a matrix, okay, it's skew symmetric, then the value of x you have to find. So you have to write what is skew symmetric matrix. So when you get A transpose as minus C, correct? So write A transpose. A transpose is 0, 4, x minus 5, 0. And minus of A is 4 minus x plus 5, 0. Okay. Now equating this value, x minus 5 equal to minus 4. So minus 4 plus 5, so we get 1. X equal to 1. Okay. Second question, the relation R A comma A B comma B C comma C on the set this. This type of question we have done. Okay, in place of A B C there was 1 to 3. So here it was 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. So first thing is this is reflexive. Okay, this is also symmetric because A comma A is there. So the reverse way, that is A comma A, is also there, right? Symmetric. So what about transitive? Only A comma A is there, right? So there we had seen that it was 1 comma 1. So if there exists element 1 comma 2, okay, then there should exist element 1 comma 2, that is A comma B, B comma C and A comma C, correct? Then we say that it is transitive. But here only one element is there. So there is no point of the second element and third element. But here the thing is it is 1 comma A comma A, correct? So if I take a element, same element A comma A. This is A comma B, B comma A and B comma C. So A comma C, same thing A comma A. So it is transitive. Okay, so it is an equivalence relation. Next question, the value of cos inverse cos 3 pi by 2 is. Okay, so first you write the value of cos 3 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2 is our 270, opposite of 90, right? Cos 90 is 0. So this is also 0. So cos inverse of 0 you have to find. So cos of x is 0, which is that value pi by 2. Cos of 90 is pi by 2, right? Next question. Fourth question. Integrating factor of differential equation cos of x dy by dx plus y sin of x equal to 1. Okay, first you have to remove this and you have to write it in the general form. So dy by dx, dividing the whole equation by cos of x. Okay. So this sin of x upon cos of x becomes tan of x. So your integrating factor is given by e raised to integral tan of x dx. So integral of tan of x is log sec of x. Okay. So we can say that this is e raised to log. So the answer is sec of x. Okay. Next question, the derivative of x raised to 2x with respect to x. Now this is the application, that is a derivative of log functions. Okay. So whenever there is a raised to function, you have to make use of log. So if our y is x raised to 2x, taking log both the sides. So log x raised to 2x. So using the property, it becomes 2x log x. log a raised to b. So b log a. Okay. So taking derivative of dx. Here 2 is common, that is constant. X log x you have to derivate by using product rule, UV rule. X dash is 1 plus x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So dy by dx 2 into y. Y is our x raised to 2x plus 1. Okay, this answer. Next question. Value of dy by dx at 4 comma 1 of y cube minus root of x equal to 5. So first we find out the derivative. So this is 3y square into derivative of y, derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, derivative of y is 0. Okay. Now you put values of y, x and y. This is x, this is y. So y is 1. So here it is 3 dy by dx. 1 upon 2 root of 4, 2. This number you have to take that side, 1 upon 4 and 3 comes here. So it is 1 upon 12. Next question. Integral 2 raised to x 3 raised to x dx equals 2. So here you have to make use of laws of exponents. So this becomes your 2 into 3 raised to x dx, which is 6 raised to x dx. So integral of a raised to x is a raised to x upon log a plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. What about this direction ratios of the line? So first you convert this line into standard form. Okay, that is x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b. Okay. So taking common 6. So write this as or multiplying and dividing by 6. So x minus 2 by 6 into 6. Here also multiplying and dividing by 3. Here you can take common 2. Okay. So this becomes x minus 1 by 3. This 6 you can write 1 by 6. Y minus of minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 2. Okay. Now these are the direction ratios, but we don't have this here, so we have to convert them. That is, our direction ratios are 1 by 6, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So if I multiply by 6 here, you will get 6 by 6, 6 by 3, 6 by 2. So this is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next question. If function r to r and g from r to r are two functions defined by f of x 2x plus 1 and g of x x square minus 2, to find g composite f. Let's compute this. F of x is given to be 2x plus 1, g of x is square minus 2. So you have to find g composite f. F of x. So put f of x 2x plus 1. Then in place of x you have to put this. Square it using a plus b the whole square. Okay. Next question. You have to find the principal value of sec inverse minus 2. Okay. So it is sec inverse and inside it is minus. So we write this as pi minus sec inverse. So this is cos 1 by 2 is of 60. So this is pi by 3. Okay. So 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. Next is you have to find dy by dx if y is equal to sine log of x. This is very easy. Composite functions, first to derivate sine cos log of x into derivative of log of x, that is x, 1 by x. Okay. Evaluate minus 2 to 2 x cube plus 1 dx. So here you can directly find out the answer or you can make use of the property. Okay. So this is minus 2 to plus 2 x cube plus 1 dx. Okay. Directly also you can substitute, but they are expecting you to use the property. Okay. So minus a to plus a is given and there is a odd function. So whenever there is an odd function you will get this answer as 0. Here it is x plus 4. Okay. Next question, you have to find the vector equation of the line through the points A 3 4 minus 7 and B 1 minus 1 6. Okay. So the point is given. Two points are given. Vector equation of line. Okay. So the vector equation is given by a plus lambda b. Now b is a vector which is parallel, right? So the direction ratios you have to find. How direction ratios we get? If you find the equation by using Cartesian equation, then it is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, correct? And this is our direction ratio. So x2 minus x1. 3, 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 4, 6 minus of minus 7, minus 2, minus 5, 30. Okay. So these are direction ratios and this is our B vector. A vector is this. So the equation is 3i plus 4j minus 7k plus lambda minus 2i minus 5j plus 13k. Okay.